Hi, I'm Dave Coons, Vice President of Engineering at Zebra Technologies. I'm excited today to introduce the ZXP Series 3 printer from Zebra. This is a new printer from Zebra that offers a great combination of compact size, ease of use, and affordability. The printer offers a full set of contact and contactless encoding capability, including the ability to use an external contact encoder. This encoder is the same encoder that's in our ZXP Series 8 printer and is fully PCSC compliant. This printer is capable of printing up to 180 cards per hour. One of the things we've done to enable that speed is to move some of the image processing into the host computer. There's a lot of image processing, a lot of analysis and image perfection that needs to happen. And for us to get greater control over that, we've moved some of it into the host PC so that the printer can just focus on printing. So the print speed is enabled both by improvements in the printer, mechanical, electrical, and some firmware changes, and better host image processing on the PC. Let me tell you about one additional element that enables the improved image quality and the high speed. The ZXP Series 3 uses a new and improved True Colors I-Series ribbon that's reformulated to enable high-speed printing. This ribbon has improvements on both sides to enable higher print speed, greater durability, and freedom from print artifacts. This new ribbon is available only for the ZXP Series 3, and we're first to market with such a ribbon, and it's a key part of the value proposition of high speed and high image quality. The printer offers a full host of encoding options, including mag encoding and contactless encoding. An exciting feature of this printer is the easy upgradability to the smart card encoders. The encoders are provided in a plug-in module which is easily added to a printer in the field. As I said, these encoders are the same encoders that are in the ZXP Series 8 printer, which means they're fully PCSC compliant. They're also EMV compliant, which is critical for financial card printing. And an exciting feature of this printer is the ability to do smart card encoding over an Ethernet connection. One other thing I'd like to tell you about are some of the security features for this printer. This is one of the only printers in this form factor that has fully lockable cabinet enclosure. This key lock locks the lid for the printer and also locks access to the cards in the input bin. ZXP Series 3 is an ideal solution for affordable issuance of financial cards. The features of the printer, including the locks, covers for the input and output bin, and the EMV certified contact encoder, make it ideal for such applications.